Hello, welcome. It's the Free Product Lady. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now we're about to begin. Hello, this is the Free Product Lady. Happy Thanksgiving. Attention all cooks. They said on the news, get your Thanksgiving items early, but it's a problem. It's a lot of things that's not on the shelf. We have to go in the store, wear the mask, and the prices are out of control. What? Free Product Lady is here to help. Don't worry, stay tuned. Free Product Lady is back. I want to tell you, I said, I'm not going to wearing a mask, standing in a long line, trying to figure out what products they have. And I needed a few ingredients to go with my Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to show you the things that I needed for my Thanksgiving dinner, but I had a hard time finding in the stores. So one of the items are McCormick black pepper. I was like, I love this. I like their brand. And it, of course, around this time of the year, well, all the time really, but this time of the year, this really flies off the shelf. And I got this. But I did not fight the crowd. I didn't have to wear the mask. And I was in the comfort of my home. And I got this product. The next product I use for flavor is Accent. It's a great product that I use. It has 60 milligrams, which is 3% sodium. We try to be on the healthy side, so we try to watch our salt intake. So I use Accent for my family food, and it's a great product. Both of them are great products. But the thing is, I did not have to fight the crowd. I didn't have to wear the mask. I got these products in the comfort of my home. And what made me realize, I said, I'm an Amazon Prime member. Let me check and see if Amazon had these products. What happened? Amazon had them. And then, by me being a Prime member, they said they could send it out the next day. Wow. That saved me time, money. Didn't have to worry about calling stores, see who got what. Didn't have to deal with the traffic. What a peace of mind. Not just that. Free Product Lady just didn't have to do all that. Free Product Lady got these products for free and free shipping. I got them because what I do is take out 15 to 30 minutes of my time and I do surveys online and get the products that I need and want. And not just getting the products that I need and want, but I don't have to worry about the crowds, the mass, or anything about stores running out, because like these items, I just clicked, Amazon had them, they will let you know if they didn't have them. So guess what? I didn't have to call around or anything, got the products the next day. But the 15 and 30 minutes come from doing the surveys and actually getting these products for free. How I got them for free? I did the surveys, and when I complete the surveys, I get a gift card. Each one has a different cash out, but I get the gift card and use it and get the products that I want and need. What a great way. What a great way to save. Look, more money that you save on things like this, the more money you could buy presents with or whatever you want to do. All links are below of all the survey companies that I use. They're free to join. And like I said, do it in your time. That way, it's saving you time, money, and less headache. And that way, You can get items like I got and have a great Thanksgiving. So if you have any questions, please like, share, and subscribe, and make any comments to the product lady. I will say happy Thanksgiving again, and I would like to thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.